One of the easiest one-pan dinners with so much flavor. This easy recipe will change up your weeknight dinner game. Now let's make some French onion crunch chicken. This is in our weekly rotation and it will be on yours too. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now grease your casserole dish. You'll need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and season to your liking. For this, I use salt, pepper, and some garlic powder, but you can get creative with this. Now spread your homemade or store-bought French onion dip all over your chicken. It doesn't need to be pretty, just needs to cover the chicken. Then go in with your green beans and make sure they are spread pretty evenly. Now sprinkle your shredded cheese all over the top. Once you have the cheese spread, put it in the oven uncovered for about 45 minutes. Now grab your potato chips of choice and crush those up. And grab your fried onions. This is what it should look like after 45 minutes. Now spread the chips. I do about half of them. Then I go in with the fried onions and then add more chips on top. I don't know why I do this, I just do. Then you're going to put it back in the oven uncovered for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken temps. Look at how good that looks. I swear you can smell it through the screen. I promise you this one will be a keeper. If you try it, let me know in the comments.